It's 2:30 on Wednesday afternoon. Been working all day, only took like a 10-15 minute lunch break just to eat. But now, absolutely knackered from staring at a screen all day. But got a lot done, so I'm pleased. So I'm going to try and do a workout outdoors. So I'm not going to do the SZR midweek winter low series tonight. I'm going to skip a week and just try and train and see how the lungs feel. So I'm going to try some 1 minute VO2 max repeats outdoors and see if I can do them. Top tip when going out for a ride, if you haven't ridden your bike for a while, check your tyre pressure before you walk out the door. Just gonna have to pump mine again now. Proper miserable. Love it. First set done. Not too bad actually. The asthma doesn't feel amazing, but I managed to stay on top of my breathing. It was actually worse in one of the little warm-up things. So yeah, just having 3 minutes, a little bit more maybe in between sets. So just rolling in the wind, and now I'm gonna roll back and get ready to go again. 5 more repeats, and then I repeat it 1 more time. But it's a really miserable day right now. I don't think it was meant to rain. Really easy gear. I don't think it was meant to rain this afternoon like this early. There's been cloud cover all day, but I love training in this actually, because the way I see it is, if I'm training in this, I'm doing something that most other people probably aren't. It's just like 2 degrees today, windy and rainy, and I'm out here doing hill repeats. One of 5, and back down we go. But you're not being in my mouth this time. Really impacts my breathing. Second set done. Can't see anything now. It's got much cooler because of the wind, and yeah, more rain. So the road's wetter now as well, so I'm just getting a bit wet. But like I said, I'm out here doing the training, putting the hard work in. Hopefully that's a good thing. Oh, it's done. Done and done. Maybe went a little bit over on that last one. Oh well. 3 sets done. Cool down, head home. Peace. Wet. Soaking wet gloves. Soaking wet right foot, because this curve, gentle left bend. So every time I've come down here for the intervals, my foot's gotten a bit wetter. Oh well. Bit wet, bit dirty. Good thing I have a washing machine. Filthy.
Hi, Papa.
Hi darling, just putting the wash on.
No, me too.
Yeah, you too. Is it on?
Huh?
Is it started? Good. I was about to make a recovery shake, but then Sophie said she bought ice cream and cones. What have you got, Wiggs?
I bought this.
Yeah, we've got this. What have you got?
I bought this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You bought this 7, 8, 9, 10?
Okej, vänta. Och vänta, mamma ska göra så här. Mamma ska göra så här. Wee.
Ah!
Is that good, Wiggs? Right, just gonna do a little bit more work before I finish up for the day. Showered, washes on, and had that really good recovery ice cream. Really glad I got out, even though it was raining. Had a little bit of trouble with asthma in the warm-ups and in the final set. Tomorrow, I think, I'm gonna go into work and maybe do a sweet spot session on the way home. I do, however, maybe not need to clean the bike fully, but I should probably clean the chain a bit more thoroughly before I use that bike to commute to work tomorrow. It's raining, isn't it? But I thought I've got to clean the chain. Final rinse. But that's the chain cleaned, now just to lube it. Thanks for watching. Really pleased that I was able to do this session, see how my sweet spot session tomorrow is. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.